In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails from Pipedrive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly reach multiple contacts at once using group emails without leaving your CRM. Let's start from inside your Pipedrive account. From the main navigation, head over to the Contacts section and then choose People. This is where all of your individual contacts live. Think of it as your master list of leads and customers. If you're not already there, make sure you're viewing the list of people rather than organizations or deals, because the bulk email feature we're using works directly from the People view. Once you're looking at your list of people, it's time to decide who you want to email. On the left side of each contact row, you'll see a small checkbox. Go down the list and click the checkboxes next to every person you want to include in this batch email. You can scroll and pick them manually or use filters at the top of the page first to narrow down your list to a specific segment, like a certain pipeline stage or label. Taking a moment to filter before you select contacts helps keep your message targeted and relevant. After you've selected your contacts, look for the Send Group Email button, usually appearing near the top of the list once at least one person is checked. Click that button. This tells Pipedrive that you want to email everyone you just selected in a single bulk action, instead of sending one by one. A new email window will open, and this is where templates become really useful. Choose a template that matches the purpose of your message, such as a quick follow-up, a promotion, or a check-in. If you don't see a suitable template, you can still select one that's close and then customize the content. Before you send, carefully review the merge fields in the template. These are placeholders that automatically pull in each person's details, like their first name or company. Make sure they look correct and that every contact you selected actually has those fields filled out in their profile, so nobody receives an email with a blank or broken placeholder. Once you're happy with the subject line, body text, and merge fields, you're ready to go. Click Send, and Pipedrive will deliver that email individually to each selected contact as part of your quick sales batch.